Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your search history on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You can view the hashtag accounts, audio, text, and places you've recently searched for on Instagram. How to do it? First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines on the upper right corner here. Tap on settings and privacy. And then tap on account center. Now you can scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. There's an option, search history. You can tap on that. Tap on your account. And here's all of your search history on Instagram. You can review things that you searched for on Instagram in the last 30 days. But not everyone will be able to access this setting in Account Center at this time. If these steps don't work for you, you can try another step. Let's go back. You can tap on your profile and then tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on your activity. Scroll down and you'll see recent searches. You can tap on that. And here's all of your history search, your search history on Instagram. So that is how to check search history on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!